Artificial intelligence has myriads of possibilities, many of which are bearing fruit, like ChatGPT, the new buzzword in the past 2 months. Many of the users I've been speaking to just told me that it is impossible to say no to a chatbot that can generate essays, debug your code, or even respond to a joke, like a real human being.
I heard about ChatGPT a while ago as I serve for a public relation consultant for tech companies. There are 3 scenarios that I use ChatGPT frequently. First is to generate some copies or some ideas for my personal interest and for work as well. And secondly, I find it really useful to use ChatGPT to summarize some contents. Let me show you an example of how I could use it. I'll make it write a rap song in Eminem style.
As ChatGPT continues to gain popularity, global tech giants are looking to leverage it for development of new AI products. In China, Baidu has announced that it would launch a new chatbot named ErnieBot in March. Kunlun Tech Corporated Limited, which started its tryst with AI-generated content since 2020, has also announced plans to develop ChatGPT-related products.
我认为 ChatGPT 是一个里程碑式的事件。
From my perspective, ChatGPT was a landmark event, comparable to the emergence of the Internet and mobile Internet. In the AI field, the first layer is the model level, which is largely closed source and dominated by large companies. The second level is the application level, which is the business that small and medium-sized companies are good at. Large companies will obtain huge profits through the closed source. Our research and development is centered on the open source code for large models and is conducive for the diverse development of the sector, providing more enterprises with more opportunities to further develop artificial intelligence.
Meanwhile, the super chatbot has been triggering a frenzy on the capital market. Since January 31st, ChatGPT concept stocks have been seeing huge upswings. Baidu shares have risen more than 12% after the company announced the launch of ErnieBot. Analysts say that ChatGPT-related stocks are worthy of investment, but private investors need to be conscious before they start the purchases.
我个人认为它本身确实也是一个风口。
Personally, I think this is indeed an investment opportunity, as ChatGPT stocks are supported by increasingly mature technology and has broad application prospects. If you are an individual investor wishing to take advantage of the new opportunity, you must keep an eye on the performance of tech companies and gain expertise in relevant fields to avoid risks. Regulators must also introduce the necessary regulations to ensure that there are no wild swings in the share prices of such stocks.
Experts also said that China's advantage in developing the AIGC sector lies in its massive user data, as well as model innovation. When the new generation of AI products are commercialized across various consumer scenarios, such as shopping, travel, etc., it will have significant changes in our lives. Xu Yi, CGTN, Beijing.